Have you ever questioned, why does the universe even exist? Logically, we've only got 4 options in front of us. Either the universe was created out of nothing, it created itself, it has always existed, or it was created by an external conscious being. The first option is absurd because you cannot have something come out of nothing. The second option is also false because to will yourself, you have to already exist, which is contradictory. The third option is also impossible as this is not consistent with our best scientific theories, and the system of cause and effect cannot go back infinitely. The fourth option is the only logically viable option. The rest are nonsensical concepts with no logical backing to them. With all this evidence, how can God be denied?